I'm Gurpreet Singh, Head of Marketing, United Breweries. Very happy to announce the launch of Kingfisher Ultra Wit Beer in a prestigious state of Goa. We have just very recently brought the brand in, and this is United Breweries' first foray into craft style of beers. And this particular beer is very true to the style of brewing that wheat beers and craft beers make. And all the ingredients that we have used on it are also largely imported from markets where they are known for this. So bulk of the ingredients on this beer come from Belgium, which has a very rich heritage in making beer, especially craft beers. And some of the ingredients come from the United States of America as well, where craft beer revolution actually started in a big way. So we are here at a very attractive price in the format of a 650 ml bottle, a 330 ml pint, and a 500 ml can. And this will be available in stores across the state very soon. So we hope you try it and enjoy this lovely introduction from our behalf. Kingfisher Ultra Wit Beer.
Where will be the production of this?
We are currently producing out of our brewery in Mysore, in a place called Chamundi in Karnataka. It's a very high-tech, very modern brewery of ours, and to facilitate this craft project, we actually made a brewery within a brewery concept to be able to make this beer over there. So currently it will come to Goa and to other states from this single state, and as and when demand goes up, we have already planned for other brewing facilities as well, so we will have other breweries as well manufacturing it. But for the time being, it will be out of Mysore, Karnataka.
What about the percentage of alcohol as it is?
The percentage of alcohol on this beer is very similar to other beers in the market. So at 4.7%, it's under 5%, which is where your mild beers are. So even a Kingfisher and Ultra are in similar percentage of alcohol. So there's not a great difference as far as alcohol percentage is concerned, and that seems to be the sweet spot where consumers or bulk of the consumers want to consume their mild beers. Where the difference really is in visually how the beer looks. It's got a smoky, cloudy look to it, and as far as the aroma is concerned, before you even taste the beer, you can get some very distinct aroma of orange peel and other ingredients that we have included in this. And on tasting, you'll realize that it's a very less bitter, sweet, refreshing form of craft style wheat beer.
Okay, as you are looking for the sweet beer in Kingfisher, how you will see the market in Goa?
Goa as a market is actually very aligned towards the mild beers. So more than 80% of what we see in the market seems to be mild beers. The fact that we have come out with our craft offering or craft style beer of Ultra Wit Beer in the mild version appeals to almost everybody in Goa, and the balance 20% of strong beers also is largely consumed by tourists that come in. So as far as the local Goan is concerned, the alcohol strength that we have is appropriate for all his occasions of consumption, and for most tourists as well, this works very well. I think for the market of Goa, this offering of 4.7% refreshing, less bitter, very sessionable beer works very well, because Goans also tend to as a habit, because of the way they socialize and their lifestyle, they consume beers over long sessions of beer drinking. It's not about intoxication, it's about having fun with their friends and family. And similarly, when tourists come here, they don't want to just drink one or two drinks and head back to the resort. They want to enjoy their evening, and I think this beer offers them that opportunity to have a long session of enjoyment and refreshment.
When Goa market will get this beer?
The beer has already arrived in Goa, so it is already available in a handful of stores, but it's arrived just a couple of days ago. So it will take time for the entire state to receive the beer, but the distribution in Goa is quite rapid. So I'm sure, and this is high season, so before the season is over, I'm sure most parts of Goa will have the beer.